Kia ora, I'm David Chester with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week at everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news. Energy prices are roiling markets everywhere. But first in the US, the ADP employment report was positive, coming in better than expected with a 568,000 increase in jobs for September, and suggesting that the upcoming US non-farm payrolls report will be a reasonable one. There were good gains in every sector in the ADP report. Analysts expect, however, that the non-farm payrolls report to show a rise of only 473,000. But there were challenging data in the American home loan sector. Applications fell sharply last week and interest rates rose sharply, which probably explains the applications retreat. In Asia, fuel prices are soaring, and not just in China. But China is relenting on its blockade of Australian coal, releasing ships carrying the fuel that has been waiting to unload for months. And in India, state-owned Coal India has been ordered to raise output of thermal coal sharply. Everywhere demand for propane, diesel and fuel oil is also very high, and prices are rising sharply. In Europe, very high natural gas prices are a very real threat to their economic expansion. But overnight, Russia agreed to increase supplies, taking the top off the sharp increases yesterday at least. Russia has the EU in a chokehold ahead of their winter season. And staying in Europe, the recovery in retail sales didn't eventuate in August as expected, a disappointment for them. In Australia, their prudential regulator APRA has announced an increase in the minimum interest rate buffer it expects banks to use when assessing the serviceability of home loan applications. It has risen 50 basis points to 3%. APRA estimates that a 50 basis point increase in the serviceability buffer will reduce maximum borrowing capacity for the typical borrower by about 5%. This is probably just the first of a series of tightening measures aimed at cooling the housing markets. The US Treasury 10-year yield opens today at just under 1.53%, a little change from this time yesterday. And the price of gold will start today, a little change as well, up $2 to $1,762 an ounce. And oil prices are slightly lower today, down $2 to just over $77 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is just under $81 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar opens today noticeably lower at just on 69 US cents, and nearly a 1% devaluation in a day. Against the Australian dollar, we're down 40 basis points to 95.2 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're soft at 59.8 euro cents. That means our trade-weighted index starts today down to 72.9, but still in the middle of the 72 to 74 range of the past 11 months. And the Bitcoin price is sharply higher again today since this time yesterday, up a massive 9.4% this time, to be now at $54,752. Volatility in the past 24 hours has been extreme, at just over plus or minus 5.3%. We welcome your feedback on these issues. Leave a comment below or on our website. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.